Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to convert RAR or GIF file into ISO file in any Windows or Mac computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now I'm using a Windows 11 operating system on my Raspberry computer. So if you're using a Mac operating system on your respective computer, still the tricks will remain the same. So firstly, let me show you. Say here I have one RAR file. So if you have a zip file, still the tricks will remain the same. So let me show you its properties to make you confirm. So you can see here it's a RAR file. So in order to convert this RAR or zip file into ISO file, what you need to do is just open any web browser, and in the Google search, just search for one application named as Any2ISO. And on the first list you will see the official website of this application. Just click on it. Now you can see here free download, just click on it. Now here you will get two download options. One is for Windows, one is for Mac operating system. So right now I'm using a Windows, so I'm gonna download a Windows, and if you're using a Mac, then get the Mac version. Finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double left click it to run this software installer. Click on next, click on I accept the agreement, click on next, click on next, click on next, click on install. Wait for a few more seconds. So finally the installation has been completed. Click on finish and wait for a few more seconds. So finally you can see this kind of user interface. So I'm not going to discuss all the options available here, so I'll directly focus on the topic. So now just drag the RAR or zip file on this application, and now you can see below convert. Just click on this convert, wait for a few seconds. So finally you can see the RAR file has been converted into ISO file. So let me show you its properties. So you can see it's converted into ISO file, and the original file was a RAR file. So let me show its properties again to make you confirmation. So you can see here. So using this application named as Any2ISO, you can easily convert RAR or zip file into ISO file in any Windows or Mac computers very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.